Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube video, and in this video we'll be talking about how to do PC testnets on your mobile phone. So this video is basically about how to do most of your PC testnet on your mobile phone. Now I made a video about Ferus network, but it was mostly for PC users. Now this video is going to show you how to do that same airdrop with your mobile phone. And this video, if you can understand how to do this same Ferus network with other, if you understand how to do it, you will understand how to do other testnet airdrop with your phone. So most of them is going to work with this same method I'm going to show you. So the first thing I'm going to show you is about Ferus network. This Ferus network, and this is how to go about your Ferus network. You have to visit their page and connect your wallet. So first of all, using my Google Chrome, when I visited their network, you have to connect your wallet in order to participate. So when I tried to connect my wallet using this Google Chrome, it was difficult. I could not connect. I tried so many things, it was not connecting. So you have to resolve a way to do it. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to download this exchange, this non-custodial wallet called Zerion wallet. You go to your Play Store, you search for Zerion wallet. Zerion. This wallet over here, Zerion wallet, I've already downloaded it on my phone. You install this wallet. After installing this wallet, you go over to Mrs. Browser. I will not advise you to use Chrome browser because Chrome browser is not good with Web3 work. So you go over to Mrs. Browser. If you don't have it, you download it on your Google Chrome. This is the browser, Mrs. Browser. So when you come over to Mrs. Browser, remember, connecting wallet was one of the major issues that makes most of this Web3 is difficult to work with your mobile phone. So after installing your Zerion wallet, if you don't have a wallet with them, you have to create new wallets with them and keep your seed phrase very, very safe, so you can use it to log into this app. So now after you have downloaded your Zerion wallet, what you do next is that you come over to extension, this place over here on your Mrs. Browser. When you come over to extensions, you click on it, you click on search for extension, search for Zerion. Now when you search for it, it's going to take you to where I'm going to add it. Mine is here already, so I don't need to add it already. Let me remove it and add it again so you see how I did it. So I'll be back. So now you click on extension, you search for Zerion. Zerion wallet extension. Okay, just search for it on your browser. I was searching inside the extension. Now you click on wallets for Web3 and NFT. Now at the up here, this add to Chrome, you click on add it to Chrome. Okay, now it's going to add to Chrome after it has downloaded, and when it's done adding to Chrome, okay, it's added. Now you have to import your wallet. You have to import your wallet, or if you don't have a wallet, you create it. So that wallet you have created on Zerion, there's what called seed phrase. That seed phrase, you just have to put it in, and when you put that seed phrase in, you just bring up that your wallet that you have created with them. So that's the thing you have to do here. So now I have to put my seed phrase here. Now I will import my wallet. After I import my wallet, I click on continue and I enter my password. So after you enter your password, you click on confirm and enter it again. So when you are done entering it, it will bring you to this place that you have done. So you can use my referral code to join below, so you can get started with Zerion. So let's get back to what we are doing. So back to Ferrous network. Remember when I used Chrome browser, no wallet was connecting. I tried to connect wallet with Chrome, but because I couldn't connect with Chrome, I used Mrs. Browser. Then I now installed the extension of Mrs. Browser. Then I have to connect my wallet again. Now you can see Zerion wallet is showing here. You can now click on Zerion wallet. Now it's going to take me to have to sign in. I click on connect. This is what was my major issue. It used to refuse to connect on other wallets, but as I've added this extension, it's going to connect on this wallet. Click on switch. Click add, then close this. Added successfully. Your wallet is now ready. Continue. Now this is the way you can use to get most Testnet wallets on your mobile phone, and you can be participating on all of them using your Mrs. Browser. So once you come to this airdrop, I've already made a video on this airdrop. You claim it you can claim every 24 hours. My time is not yet up, so you go to experience, you check in daily. Every day you check in, so you increase your level easily. I already checked in with my system already, so that's why it shows I already checked in. So the next thing you need to do is you can swap. Testnet airdrop, you have to participate in most of their testnet activities. So some of the activities you can swap with this Zenith and Faro swap. You can provide liquidity to Zenith and Faro swap. You invite your friends, then you can also mint and collect NFTs. Then you follow them on their social media on X. You tweet this their post on X, reply on their X, then join them in their Discord. Now this pattern is one of the ways you can use to connect most of the testnet airdrop on mobile phone. So if you have any particular testnet airdrop you want to do, put it on the description so we can talk about it and do it, and I'll do a video about it. If you have any question about this testnet airdrop on mobile phone, put it on the description too, so we'll go about it also. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe if you have gotten any value from this video. Make sure you like and also share this video to friends so they can also get the value you have gained from this video, and can also join my WhatsApp community and Telegram community. There we also share updates on every crypto we get, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.